guys, welcome back. My name is Dela, also known as Natural Ghana Girl, and today I'm here to show you something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you around this 2-bedroom rental property here in Spintex. Should we go ahead and have a look? Let's go. Okay, so here we are. Okay, this is a great property. I love it because it's in a great location. It's very central to absolutely everything that you could possibly need. So it's a great location. Now, the property itself, as you can see as we enter into the living room, it's nice, light, airy, very simply, tastefully decorated, which I really like. We don't like to overdo things, right? So that's very nice here. So immediately you come in, you will see over here we have a little kitchenette area, okay? Because this is a rental property, you don't necessarily need a massive kitchen. So this absolutely serves the purpose. So we have all our top shelf here where we have all our cutlery and things like that. All our plates, cups, that's what I mean, not cutlery. Cutlery doesn't go up there, does it? No, it doesn't. Okay. Then obviously we have our fridge, so we have everything we want in the kitchen. Then we have a really nice sofa area over here. So you can sit down here, completely chillax. There's a TV over there, so you can watch TV, put your feet up and really just kind of enjoy yourself. And just over here, behind me over here, we have a really nice simple dining area. This is nice and cute. It's got 4 chairs, so all you need is 3 other friends plus you and you're good to go. You can sit down here and have your dinner there, which is a nice space. Okay, now this one's a 2-bedroom. I'll put the light on first. There we go. So inside this bedroom, again, you can see it's really nice. I love the bed, how they decorate the bed. It's just nice, simple decorations, all right? And white sheets, okay? You have to have white sheets, right? I'm very particular about those things. So having white sheets on the bed gives me full confidence that it's a nice bed. Okay, so we have a wardrobe here as well, built-in wardrobe. So you can put all your stuff away here. So you can absolutely stay in this place for days or you can rent it month by month. It's completely up to you, okay? So simply nicely decorated in here. Now, as we go this way, okay, there is a bathroom over here. So it has an actual bath in it. So if you're a bath kind of person, you can definitely do that. So you can just put the tap on, put some bubbles in there and just relax, you know, just relax and do your thing in there. So the 2nd bedroom is here. Again, similar setup with the bed. You can kind of see nice white sheets, very nicely well done. Bed is made lovely. We have some windows here as well, so you can actually open that out and get some more light into the room if you wish. Again, wardrobes too, so you can put all your stuff away. This has an ensuite bathroom, this one. So if I could put the light on. Okay, so in this one we have a shower and obviously your vanity units there. Okay, so you can do all your business in there, so you don't necessarily have to share. So the other bedroom has the bathroom, so you can access that for the bath. This one has its own ensuite, so you can have a shower in there, which is really nice. Okay, now over here, there's actually this really nice door, and I love the fact that this is tempered glass, right? And it just brings a lot of light in, okay? So the fact that it's not a closed off door means that we get lots of light from here flooding into the house, which is really cool. So this balcony is really nice. It's a nice long one and it's kind of private because obviously we have the walls up here. So you're private away from your neighbours, so you don't need to see what they're doing. They don't need to see what you're doing, which is nice. Just got a nice table and chair there so you can actually sit out here, have a coffee, read a book, which gives you a nice little bit of extra space to the apartment. Now the fun part, how much is this apartment going for? Okay, so this 2-bedroom apartment is actually going for $1,650,000 per calendar month. Okay, there are also 1-bedroom apartments. Now the 1-bedroom is going for $1,450,000 per calendar month. And for the area in which we are, Spintex Road, okay, that's actually not a bad price. Now I know lots of you are going to say, that's quite expensive, I could get one for, I don't know, 50 cities or whatever. Yes, there's always going to be something cheaper, there's always going to be something more expensive, okay? But for the area what we're talking about, this is a very prime location, this is actually not a bad deal. The space is very nice and comfortable, you can easily move in here, do what you need to do and you'll be absolutely fine, okay? It also has 24-hour security downstairs as well, so you know that your belongings and everything is pretty much safe here, okay? This is a really nice location. So if you are interested in renting out this property, you can definitely send me an email to naturalghanagirl@gmail.com and I'll put you in touch with the relevant people, okay? If you are also interested in other rental properties and you're not sure where to look, you can also send me an email and perhaps I'll be able to help you out on that front as well, okay? So again, just a reminder, naturalghanagirl@gmail.com. Okay, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, I would love it if you would just do me a favor and just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to also like, comment and share this video. Until next time, I am out.